Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make quill card. So let's get started. First, we need our quill tool and our blue strip. First, we are going to make teardrop shape, or you can say raindrop shape. So first, roll the quill. Now, glue the loose coil shape. And then pinch the end where it was glued to make the teardrop shape. Now we have to make another. I have also made this tight coil. Then we need our greeting card. Then we have to start pasting our coil like this. Then we need red strip. And now we are going to make our S-shaped coil. So for this shape, roll from both ends of the paper but on opposite sides of the strip. Now from opposite side, our S shape is formed. I have also made this heart shape. Roll and glue the loose coil shape. Then pinch the end where it was glued, making a teardrop shape. Then, one holding the pinch end in one hand, press in from the top toward the pinch end. Then our heart shape is formed. Then we have to paste it. Then we have to make the teardrop shape and the pinch one to make butterfly. Then we have to paste it like this. Now our DIY quilling card is ready. And here you can write your message. Hope you like the DIY we made today. Hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.